Hey there, hope everyone is doing well. Thank you for clicking on my video. So, everything on the left is going to be saved. That's all lawnmowers that can be rebuilt. This row right here, they didn't make the cut, so they're gonna get scrapped. And as you can see, there is a crazy amount of lawnmowers. That one right there, that's got a nice cast aluminum deck, so that'll be fun to scrap. For you collectors, look at that old snapper right there. That's pretty cool. And then there's some riding lawnmowers up there that'll get saved. But yeah, I got to pick up some other scrap, so I figured I would bring y'all along and share with you the adventures of picking up the scrap. Check out that old truck. That's an old military truck. Figured I'd just bring y'all along. All right, there's a quick little scrap pickup, some goodies. I got a few more pickups to do, so stay tuned, y'all. And there it is. A little bit of goodies in there. There's some brass in here. Somewhere in here, there's some brass. Oh yeah, right in front of my face. So yeah, stay tuned. I got some more pickups to share with y'all. Here's my next pickup. We got an old welder. Hopefully it'll be copper, and then a few other goodies. That's a chunk of brass. There's some copper and some brass. Some brass. That's pretty cool. Brass gas cap. Got the nice axe head. So yeah, some more goodies. All right, there's a few more items. I wasn't able to film where we were at, but that's an old table saw. There's an old, well, it's a radial arm saw. I'll go the other side, but another dryer. There's a motor and the radial arm saw. But wait, there's more. Hey, y'all, let's go pick up some scrap. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what to expect. I think there's going to be some washing machines and just a bunch of other, I don't know what to expect. But yeah, figured I'd bring you all along. All right, there's a little bit of the first stuff. Not much, but it's something. I think there might be some stuff back here. Oh boy. That is a pile of stuff. Holy cow. That is a proper load of scrap. Wow. I don't think we'll be getting all of this today, but I'll definitely be bringing you all along for this. Wow. That is a proper pile. Well, there's the first little bit of stuff. You got the big bulky stuff in my truck. And then now we'll go after the rest of that big pile that I showed you. Yeah, that's a good start. Let's see, we got that much more to go. And then the guy said he's gonna have some other stuff as well. So yeah, this is pretty awesome. Stay tuned. All right, back to, oh, it looks like he added some more. But yeah, back here to get the rest of this awesomeness. All right, there's that load. I'll show you guys all the goodies when I get all organized. But yeah, pretty good stuff. That is a aluminum semi-rim. There is another load, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like now. As Stubprint likes to say, leave it better than you found it. Boy, that looks so much better. And they are ecstatic. All right, stay tuned. We'll go over everything that I got from these 6 loads of scrap. Okay, let's go over everything that I picked up. We'll start over here. And we got some baseboards and just some ballast hair. Baseboards have some aluminum breakage, or you can cut this aluminum off. And they always have a nice copper wire running the length of it. Got a sealed unit, and these lights, these are really heavy, so there's going to be some big transformers in there. And then cast aluminum in those lights, that's just steel. And then here's part of the stuff. I got another pile to share with you. You can see these lights down here. Those are really cool. I think I got 5 of them, and I already took one apart, and you can see there's the aluminum heat sink. That thing weighs, I think it's around 9 pounds or so. And while we're in here, that's a Westinghouse welder. I think it's going to be copper. And a saw, a couple motors there. And then we've got some goodies, like that's a chunk of brass. 3 pounds, 4 ounces. Wow, that is awesome. And then, sure, that's a piece of brass, maybe bronze with some copper. This is all going to be brass and stuff. It just, there was probably a nail or 2 in here, and it got filled up with water, and that's why it's all rusty, but it's all brass. Let's see, just some other stuff. The dishwasher, the dryer. That's a nice brass copper radiator. That's just aluminum radiator. And let's see, just rate alarm saw. Some miscellaneous stuff right here. Got an alternator and a starter, some other alternator, another motor. Here is a starter. This is a starter out of a riding lawnmower. So this is what you can expect. It's a mag motor, so it's got magnets inside, and then it's got a copper armature. But you can see they're heavily glued and shellacked, so probably just best to sell those as a complete starter. And a microwave. Oh, anybody fancy a cup of tea? I brewed it myself. Don't worry about the color. It's safe to drink. But that's copper. We have a TiVo box down there. That's part of a coffee maker, but some more alternators and starters. And get it out of here if I can. Yeah. That is out of an alternator. And that's copper, so that's sweet. Got some extruded aluminum. Some hot water heaters. That's a propane heater. That barbecue is all stainless steel, so that's awesome. Washer and dryer. Electric weed whacker. Just a bunch of random stuff. A couple mower decks. And then some of the stuff already ended up into my bins when I was unloading. Mostly just heavy iron and cast iron and stuff. So I think these rotors, I think I got like 10 or 12 of those. And if you don't know, scrapyards have their own category for those, and they're around like 12 cents a pound, the average price in the US. And so one of those, it's about $2.50 just as it is. Anyways, some more heavy iron right there. Check out that piece right there. That came out of a 5-gallon bucket paint mixer. And those are solid pieces of steel. Then I saw that, and I was like, oh, that's really, really cool. Except the bottom's rusted out. But still pretty cool. And then over here, hello, Mr. Truck. Let's walk this way. All right, now here is the rest of the metal that I got. There's some really nice stuff in here. I mean, look at that chunk of steel right there. That's really nice. This rim, earlier I said it was off of a semi. I don't know why I said that. It's off of a dump truck. And if you don't know, most scrapyards have a set price for aluminum rims. And currently in the US, the average price is 69 cents a pound, which is really, really good. You know what? Let's go weigh that thing and see what it's worth. £47 and 12 ounces. That is absolutely crazy. So that's around what, like $32 just for that rim. That is a score. Wow, that's impressive. So yeah, get aluminum rims if you ever can. But yeah, basically it's just a bunch of random stuff in here. There's some, like right there, that's cast aluminum. There's some stainless steel in here. A bunch of heavy metal. Some mufflers and other whatnots. There's some aluminum gutters. This pump right here, that's really cool looking. And actually, it still turns. I don't know why he got rid of it. I don't know if maybe part of it's cracked or something, but that thing is really heavy. So yeah. Just a bunch of random, some more heavy metal in there. There's an old John Deere deck right there, and then a few pieces of aluminum, another aluminum radiator. Can't forget the copper pipe. But yeah, that is all of my pickups. I just thank you all so much for watching this video. I really appreciate your support. I just pray that God will just bless every single one of you. I hope you have a great day, evening, wherever you are in this world. I hope that you're taking care of yourself. And I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for all the support that all of you have been giving me. Hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it and sharing it with y'all. All right, my friends, you take care. And until next time, God bless you.